Presenting Brew's new filter coffee and boil tea machine. It's a touch-based machine having 8 pre-selections and can offer you filter coffee and boiled tea in different variants. This has a capacity of dispensing close to 100 cups non-stop depending on the size of the cup. So I'm gonna show you how it dispenses boiled tea. So at just a press of a button, so our boiled tea is ready to be picked up. This has got a dedicated steam van and a water van for green tea bag. It can give you two or three different variants of coffee: hot milk, hot water, black tea, brewed tea, tea bag tea, green tea, and we can change the options also as per your requirement. Thank you.